The main difference that we get between concrete and the rubber alternative is that the applications where we can use it. So the rubber footpaths have a much shallower profile, whereby we would typically have a 100 to 150 mil profile of concrete. We're able to apply a 20 to 30 mil profile of the Crumb rubber. We use it in applications where we have low cover to surfaces, where there are tree roots in the way. This product allows us to bridge over those obstacles without having to disrupt them, unlike the concrete alternative where it would take up a lot more room. The main performance benefits between the two alternatives is where the product can be applied. In low volume footpath areas where there is no traffic to be used, the Crumb rubber is a far superior alternative because of its flexibility in application. It's also got benefit when it comes to drainage, being a more porous product. It allows us to build a subbase and top it with a permeable layer, allowing water to shed off the path rather than holding it. The major difference in installation between the two products comes down to how labour intensive it is. So when it comes to the concrete, it's obviously a much heavier, denser product. In some scenarios, yes, it can be pumped in. Other scenarios, it needs to be wheelbarrowed in. With Crumb rubber, it's all hand application at this point. There are machine alternatives that we're investigating further. However, being a much lighter product, it goes down in a much more easier fashion using the same amount of labour. Then when we look at construction time, the amount of time that it takes to prep a subgrade, box up, and then pour and strip boxing from a concrete footpath, it equates to about the same amount of time for the rubber footpath alternative. As part of the Hallam North Road project, Symal identified a portion of shared use paths where the Crumb rubber was going to be appropriate. We presented that business case to MRPV and City of Casey to receive their endorsement, who worked hand in hand with us to be able to facilitate this trial.